Hi, I'm Cheryl Alters Jamison, and today I'm at the Santa Fe School of Cooking, where I teach part-time as an instructor, and I also am a cookbook author with a lot of books out there. And so I write some recipes for the cooking school too. I wanted to tell you about a couple of my favorite products. These are kind of like my secret weapon to make some amazing things. I have red chili honey and jalapeno mustard. And I mix those usually half and half, but you can play around a little bit with that. And I use this for a glaze on all kinds of things. I'm actually kind of famous for a glazed bacon that has been a part of the breakfast class here at the cooking school for, gosh, I think 15 or almost 18 years now. Anyway, you mix half and half of these two things. You put your bacon on a baking sheet and bake it in a 400-degree oven. Turn it over once, brush it on both sides. You are gonna just wow your friends. The flavor is so fantastic with these. Anyway, stop by the Santa Fe School of Cooking Market online. It is santafeschoolofcooking.com. We'll hope to see you virtually. Thanks.